I'm Dr. Samuel Bederman. I'm a spine and scoliosis surgeon in Southern California. I've been in practice for about a decade. I specialize in primarily scoliosis, both for adults and for children, as well as other forms of spine surgery. One of the new techniques that we've been working with for scoliosis surgery is the use of patient-specific 3D printed models. We use CAT scans of people's spines in preparation for surgery. Using that as the model, we can then build specific guides that match to each individual bone, guiding exactly what it is that we intend to do. For example, in surgery where we place bone screws into the bone in order to get corrections of scoliosis, we can use these guides to drill very precise holes in exactly the right locations to facilitate putting in our screws, getting corrections.